As of late March 2026, the middle of nowhere is officially a relic of history. SpaceX has just crossed a monumental milestone. 10,000 operational satellites are now in orbit. This isn't just a tech achievement, it's a global infrastructure shift. Starlink is now live in over 150 countries, effectively erasing the wait list for 99% of the planet. From the research stations of Antarctica to the deepest reaches of the Amazon, your coordinates no longer define your digital potential. Africa has become the heart of this revolution. Service is now active in 23 African nations, providing a backbone for regions that fiber optics couldn't reach. In Nigeria and Kenya, Starlink is the primary provider for rural schools, while recent 2026 launches in Somalia and the Central African Republic are bringing high-speed stability to the most challenging terrains on Earth. This isn't just about faster browsing. It's about a new generation of digital entrepreneurs finally having a seat at the global table. In Asia, Starlink is solving the last-mile problem for the world's most complex geographies. In the Philippines, where 7,000 islands made cables a nightmare, Starlink is now the gold standard. March 2026 has brought the much-anticipated rollout in the United Arab Emirates, bringing gigabit-ready infrastructure to the desert and offshore rigs alike. From the nomadic plains of Mongolia to the bustling ports of Singapore, the Asian map is rapidly turning blue, proving that if you have a clear view of the sky, you have a 200 megabits per second connection. The biggest breakthrough of 2026 isn't a bigger dish. It's the phone in your pocket. This month marks the maturity of direct-to-cell technology. Through partnerships with carriers like T-Mobile, Airtel Africa, and Globe, Starlink has turned its satellites into cell towers in space. Standard 4G and 5G phones can now send texts and use emergency data directly via satellite. It is the ultimate safety net, a system that ensures that if you can see the stars, you are never truly lost. For the power users, the V3 satellites launched by Starship have changed the game. These next-gen birds offer 10 times the capacity of previous models, pushing the first true gigabit speeds from space. With latencies dropping as low as 25 milliseconds, professional gaming and seamless 8K streaming are now possible from a backpack. This is fiber optic performance delivered from 500 kilometers above the Earth. Availability isn't just about land. Starlink has effectively conquered the blue zones. As of March 2026, nearly every major cruise line and international airline has switched to Starlink. With the new aviation 400 megabits per second plan, passengers enjoy low-latency Wi-Fi even over the deepest parts of the ocean. The era of airplane mode, being a disconnection, is officially over. The world stays with you, even at Mach 0.8. Behind the consumer network lies a more secure layer, Starshield. Designed for government and humanitarian use, Starshield provides encrypted communications and real-time Earth observation. In 2026, it's being used to monitor environmental crises and provide secure links for disaster relief teams globally. While the civilian network handles your streaming, Starshield is the silent guardian, using enhanced crypto capabilities to protect critical data in transit. With 10,000 satellites, responsibility is paramount. SpaceX is now operating at a lower orbit of 480 kilometers to ensure non-functional satellites deorbit rapidly. Through the Stargaze program, they share space safety data for free with other operators. They've also applied stealth coatings to the V3 fleet, significantly reducing light pollution and ensuring our window to the universe remains clear for astronomers. Accessibility has also moved into the palm of your hand. The Starlink Mini is the breakout hardware of 2026. Priced at just $199 for new Roam customers, this laptop-sized dish has a built-in router and can be powered by a standard USB-C power bank. It's the ultimate tool for digital nomads, emergency responders, and weekend hikers, delivering 100 megabits per second from literally anywhere you can pitch a tent. Finally, we look to the horizon. As Starship prepares for its next Mars window, Starlink serves as the blueprint for a multi-planetary future. The technology we're using today laser links, and autonomous maneuvering, is the foundation for the first Martian internet. From your patio to the red planet, the mission remains the same: connectivity without borders.